Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook satay sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of roasted peanuts, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, and a sweetener like palm sugar. Don't forget your aromatics, 2 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 shallot. Finally, have on hand 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and about 1/4 cup of water. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced shallots, sautéing them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, stir in the 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, cooking it for just 1 minute to really bloom those spices. Finally, add your 1 cup of roasted peanuts, mixing everything thoroughly. It's time to bring all these delicious components together. Pour in your 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, and 1/4 cup of water. Add your sweetener, which could be 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, stirring until it completely dissolves. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches a rich, thick consistency. Almost there. Now, taste your satay sauce and adjust the seasonings. You might want a pinch more salt, a dash more sweetness, or a bit more tang from the tamarind. If you prefer a super smooth sauce, carefully transfer it to a blender and process until creamy. Serve this warm, versatile sauce with your favorite grilled chicken or beef skewers, fresh vegetables, or even as a delicious dipping sauce for spring rolls. Enjoy your homemade satay sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.